विद्यार्थी मित्रों, here chapter number 7 friends, coordinate geometry. It's example number 6. Find the coordinates of the point which divide the line segment joining the point 4 minus 3 and 8 5 in the ratio 3:1 internally. Friends, here whenever I explain in the basic geometry, basic video, I explain you whenever the ratio is given, you have to use the formula m1:m2. Here friends, suppose pxy divides a4 minus 3 and b85 divides line segment AB, line segment AB in 3:1, where A 4 minus 3 and B 8 5. ध्यान रखो बच्चों, here is given line segment AB. The coordinates of A are 4 and minus 3 and the coordinates of B are 8 and 5. PXY divides line segment AB in 3:1, यानी AB को डिवाइड करता है और A की ओर से डिवाइड करता है. PXY divides AB in 3:1 from A. अगर ये नहीं दिया है तो भी आपको याद रखना है कि लाइन सेगमेंट AB लिखा है. First point is 4 minus 3. So you have to take 4 minus 1, 4 and minus 3 as a x1 y1 and 8 5 as a x2 y2. Remember it. Now the ratio is given here, so we use the formula m1:m2. Here the ratio is given, so we write m1:m2 is equal 3:1. So we write m1 is equal 3, m2 is equal 1. m1 is equal 3, m2 is equal 1. m1 is equal 3, m2 is equal 1. Whenever the ratio is given, if you use this formula, it is very easy for us. Here coordinates of P is equal, formula then देखो friends, m1x2 plus m2x1 upon m1 plus m2 comma m1y2 plus m2y1 upon m1 plus m2 ये होगा. Once again, remember it friends, m1x2 plus m2x1 upon m1 plus m2, m1y2 plus m2y1 upon m1 plus m2. Here we write now xy. First we write 3 bracket, 2 bracket, 3 plus 1, 3 bracket, 2 bracket, sorry, here is 1 bracket, 3 plus 1. Now ध्यान रखो, from A, the P divide line segment AB from this point. So this 4 and 3 is take as x1 and y1 and 8 5 take x2 y2. ध्यान रखो, पहले एक पॉइंट दिया है तो एक ही वर्ड से हमको समझना है। नाउ you must multiply this x2 by 2 always with m2, sorry, m1, and this x1 by 1 always multiply with m2. So here m1 x2, coordinate of x2 are 8 1, coordinate of x1 is 4. Similar, y2 5 and y1 minus 3. Whenever you write the coordinates, keep attention properly. Here x comma y, 8 3 ja 24, 4 1 ja 4, 1 4. Similar, 5 3 ja 15, 3 into minus 1 minus 3 upon 4. So here we got x comma y 28 by 4 and here 12 by 4. 7 4 ja 4 4 cut, 4 3 ja 4 4 cut. So we got x comma y is equal 7 comma 3. So we write thus the which point 0.73 divides 4 minus 3 and 8 5 in 3:1. So this is our answer. Okay, so point of P are 7 3. We have to solve this sum on this way, and also remember always whenever any kind of sum ratio is given, you must use m1 is to m2. You can find very easily. जब आपको रेशियो फाइंड करना है तभी आपको k:1 वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. Whenever you have to find the ratio at that time, you can use k:1. So this is the answer. It's very simple. Thank you, friends.